Here's exactly how to use this jig set to create pocket holes for your woodworking projects, your home improvement projects, whatever it is you're trying to accomplish. I actually loved using this because I had never been able to actually really create pocket holes this quickly and this easily. You just simply clamp it to your board. You can set the depth that you need it to be, and then you're going to drill the holes at the angle that the jig is set to. So this is really honestly a faster way to get your pocket holes going. It comes with everything that you need, including the clamp itself from Kreg. And here's how the pocket holes turn out. So obviously you might want to sand them up a bit. This was my first attempt at using this jig, and I'm pretty happy with how easy it was to actually use. I had to adjust the depth once or twice to make sure that I was going to actually have enough enough plank to drill the screw into and actually hold everything together. And so just adjust the depth if you need to on the back of the jig. It's a really easy plastic slider that locks into place. You can see it here. And once you adjust those depths, you'll be good to go. And so it does come with screws, comes with the clamp itself, which you can easily adjust to the thickness of your board, and comes with a convenient measuring tool as well to help you measure how thick your boards are, and the portable case as well. I hope you have an amazing day, and there are other jigs available from Kreg.